Think EVs are just quiet cars that skip the gas station? Think again. Teslas come packed with hidden features that make everyday life smoother, smarter, and sometimes straight-up bizarre. From turning your car into a hotel room to spy-level surveillance, these 9 features are game-changers. Some are so controversial, they've even sparked lawsuits. Wait until feature number 6, which is something I'm sure you did not know. Let's dive in. First, dog mode. Let's start with something clever and compassionate. Picture this. You're running into a store for 5 minutes, and your dog is in the back seat. Normally, this would stress any responsible pet owner out, but not if you own a Tesla. Dog mode allows you to leave the climate control running while you're away. Not only that, the central screen displays a message that reads something like, "My owner will be back soon. Don't worry, I'm comfortable," and the temperature is set to 72 degrees. It's a simple feature, but one that solves a real-world problem. No more stressing. No more angry bystanders knocking on your window. It's handled. And yes, it's also sparked debates. Some people still think no dog should ever be left alone in a car, no matter the conditions. Others say this is the most humane way to handle a quick errand. Second, camp mode. This feature turns your EV into a livable space. Literally. Camp mode keeps the car's climate, air circulation, interior lights, and even entertainment systems running while you sleep inside. This isn't just convenient. It's a complete lifestyle enabler for campers, road trippers, and digital nomads. Forget expensive RVs. Forget noisy generators. If you've got an EV with camp mode, you've got a hotel room on wheels, complete with YouTube, Netflix, and white noise apps. And here's where the debate starts. Some people think camp mode encourages people to live in their cars. Others see it as freedom, the ability to explore without relying on hotels or expensive lodging. Third, Sentry Mode with playback. Now we're getting into the serious stuff. Sentry Mode is one of the most controversial features Teslas offer. When the car is parked and locked, it uses external cameras to monitor its surroundings. If someone gets too close or tries anything suspicious, the system activates, capturing video, turning on bright lights, and even displaying a message that recording is in progress. The result? You get a full video history of any incident. Break-ins, scratches, vandalism, and these clips have gone viral more than once. But here's the catch. Some people feel like this is a privacy violation. Critics argue that having cars record public spaces 24/7 is crossing a line. Supporters say it's simply a modern form of self-protection. Either way, it's hard to argue with the effectiveness. Sentry Mode has helped countless owners identify thieves, report accidents, and hold people accountable. Fourth, preconditioning via app. Gas car drivers have no idea what they're missing here. With an EV app, you can heat or cool your car remotely before you even walk outside. Set the temp, defrost the windshield, warm the seats, all from your phone. No more scraping ice, no more melting in a sauna. Just step into a car that already feels perfect. And it doesn't burn gas while it's doing this, just smart battery usage. Once you've used this once, you never go back. Fifth, regenerative braking customization. If you've ever driven an EV, you've felt it. You lift your foot off the accelerator, and the car slows down automatically. That's regenerative braking, and it feeds energy back into your battery. But what most people don't know? You can customize the sensitivity. Want a more traditional glide? Turn it down. Prefer one-pedal driving where you barely use the brake? Crank it up. It saves energy, extends brake life, and changes how you interact with the road. For some, It's the best part of driving electric. For others, it takes time to adjust. But once it clicks, it feels like magic. 6th Bioweapon Defense Mode. Yes, this is a real thing, and it's more than just marketing. High-end Teslas include Bioweapon Defense Mode, which activates a hospital-grade HEPA filter system. It removes nearly all pollutants, allergens, bacteria, even viruses, and creates positive pressure inside the cabin, keeping outside air out. This came in handy during wildfires, pandemics, and heavy pollution days. Some people roll their eyes at the name. Others say it's literally life-saving tech. Either way, it's the kind of feature that makes you wonder why it's not in every car. 7. Ludicrous and Plaid Modes. Now this one might spark some real debates. If you're a fan of speed, EVs, and especially Teslas, deliver something that internal combustion engines just can't compete with. Ludicrous Mode and its successor, Plaid Mode, allow the car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most Lamborghinis. In fact, it's faster than most production cars. Period. And here's the kicker. It's all smooth. No gears, no delay, instant torque. Some people love it. Others say it's irresponsible. Why do you need that kind of acceleration on public roads? Isn't that just inviting reckless behavior? But here's the reality. It's there. And if you're ever lucky enough to feel it, you'll understand the obsession. 8. Light Show Mode. This one's less practical, but way more fun. Certain EVs, particularly Teslas, include Light Show Mode, where the car's lights, doors, and even sound system sync up to a programmed musical sequence. You can trigger it from your phone, choreograph your own routines, or download new ones from the community. Is it necessary? No. 9. Over-the-air updates. Teslas and many EVs get smarter over time. New features, performance boosts, and bug fixes all download like phone updates. No dealership, no cost. It's like waking up to a better car. Overnight. Gas cars can't touch that. These features aren't gimmicks. They're redefining how we drive. Which one impressed you most? Which one's overrated? Drop your thoughts below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Because EVs aren't the future. They're already here.